Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today in this lesson we will learn about a core topic of English, punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are the symbols that help us read and write clearly. While speaking or writing, we use particular tones to ask questions and express feelings like surprise, excitement, or happiness. We also use short or long pauses. Punctuation marks help us show these pauses and emotions clearly in writing. Capitalization. We use capital letters in many situations. At the beginning of a sentence, the first letter of every sentence is written in capital. For the pronoun I is always written in capital. In book titles and published works, major words in titles of books or published works are capitalized. For government departments and official designations, names of government bodies and official titles use capital letters. At the first word of reported speech, the first word in direct speech starts with a capital letter. For the first letters of days and months, names of days and months begin with a capital letter. For proper nouns, names of people, places, or specific things are capitalized. The full stop represents the longest pause and marks the end of a statement, command, request, or instruction. Used in abbreviations to shorten words. Used for decimal numbers in math or measurements. The semicolon shows a pause longer than a comma but shorter than a full stop. Separates two independent clauses in a compound sentence. Connects closely related sentences or ideas. The comma shows the shortest pause in a sentence. Separates words of the same part of speech. Separates phrases or clauses in a sentence. Comes before principal clauses when a subordinate clause comes first. Highlights nouns of action in a sentence. Separates different parts of a date. Separates question tags from the main sentence. Separates reported speech from the rest of the sentence. The colon shows a pause longer than a comma or semicolon. Introduces quotations. Introduces lists of items. Introduces explanations or statements. The interrogation mark, used at the end of a direct question. The exclamation mark, used after expressions of strong emotions or acclamations. The apostrophe, shows possession or belonging. The inverted commas denote the exact words of a speaker and are used for direct speech. Great work! You've now learned the basics of punctuation marks. Take a moment, think carefully, and answer. Now check the correct answers. Wonderful effort today. Keep revising punctuation rules and your writing will get clearer every day. See you in the next class.